Alright guys, today we have a 2008 Toyota Tacoma, and the problem with this car is you cannot control the speed of the flow of the wind. So when you have the AC or the heat on, it works on low, but it does not work on these two middle controls, and then it works on the high. And just want to show you the problem on this. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. All right, so what we're gonna do is, so it doesn't work on low, doesn't work on next speed or the next one, and then it works on you can see, let me grab a piece of paper so you can see it. Right, let me see if I get something else. Alright, this tissue should work. Alright, you see that? The tissue is moving around. Right, and then let's say if you put it on the other speeds, there's nothing there. Alright, so the problem here is the blower motor resistor, which is down here. It's a very simple job, guys. Alright, I'll show you exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna remove this little bolt right here, and we're gonna take out the resistor right there. But before that, let me show you the part that I have for this car. Right, guys, so this is the part number here. If you can see right there, it's 973582. all right, doorman. All right, let me take out the part. I'm working with one hand, guys, I'm sorry, but I got no other choice. So here it is. All right, this is the little piece that we're going to be putting into this car. All right, so let me put my light there. And let me just unpack this thing. It's packed in this nice package. This is terrible. All right, so that's what it looked like. All right, it's a small little piece there. Right, that's what it is. All right, so let me put this away, and let me see, what tool do we need here. We're gonna need like number 5 socket there. Let me match up the tools, and then I'll tell you exactly what we're gonna need. All right, guys, I'm back. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect this connector here. All right, that's the connector. You just yank this, and then you move this out of the way, and you're gonna need a socket. This is a 5.5 millimeter socket. Simple job, guys. There you go. All right, guys, and there's one more bolt in the back. I might not be able to use my ratchet here. All right, so let me get I'm gonna have to get a regular ratchet. I can't use this electric ratchet. All right, guys, I'm back. So I got my little ratchet. So there's 2 little screws that's holding this resistor in. What this does is it controls the speed of the blower motor. All right, guys, this carpet is giving me a hard time. I didn't know there was 2. If I knew there was 2, I wouldn't have taken off the first one, because that's the easier one. All right, guys, so this controls the speed of the blower motor. The other one looks a little different, but I guess it's gonna do the same job. All right, guys, so we have this out. Let me get the new resistor. We're gonna put that in. Whenever you're changing this, guys, make sure you have the car off, and make sure your blower motor is off, because other than that, this is gonna smoke. All right, because the wind cools this off. All right, the air cools this off. All right, guys, I got my new piece, and let me get my little screw. What I'll do is I'll put this in, and then I'm gonna line one of my screws in. All right, guys, let me use my electric ratchet here. should be easier for me to get at least one in, and the one in the back I'll do it manually with the regular ratchet. All right, I gotta switch this angle on this to tight now. All right guys, once you have one, it should hold it up there, and I should be able to get the second one now. All right guys, I got one in, and the second one I gotta do it manually. First I gotta grab the threads. Let me see if I could get it with this. I guess not, right? Alright, so I'll use this. To tighten this silly bolt. Guys, there I have it, and then you can put in the connector and the job is done. All right guys, let's test it now. Let me bring up my camera. All right guys, all right, so here it is. I have it on low speed. It's working. Let me change it to medium. It's working. Next level up, it's working. All right, and high speed is working. So they're all working, guys. All right, there we have it. All right guys, so if you have a problem with the speed control, you need to change that resistor. All right, that's the resistor that controls the flow of the air, the speed of the blower motor. All right guys, thank you, and subscribe, and please like and share all of my videos. If you guys have any questions, let me know. All right guys, thank you, and bye bye. See you on the next one.